All right, guys, got the tank out. It's getting hot out here. It's about 10 o'clock, so don't know how much longer I'll be out here. I'm hoping this will be my last run. I just tied my PB at 175, but I didn't come out of that turn the way I'd like to come out of it, so see if we can get a little bit faster, get a better start. Man, that sounds good. Sounds real good. Haha. Ooh, got it stopped in time too. That thing is so loud. It's crazy. That looked really good. Came out of the turn perfect too. That makes a world of difference. For my runs anyway. Until I find a longer road. .176, new PB. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Right on. Awesome. Guys, running 8S, of course. Get the rocks out. So, yeah, running TP. Running a new TP motor. ESR's XLX2. Some SMC. Gotta thank Kimberly at Basher Queen. Most of these carbon fiber parts are hers. This, the steering ends. So, yeah, 176. Hope you enjoyed it, guys.